This is a D flat minor triad chord. It's got a D flat, an F flat and an A flat in it. Now the F flat is actually just the note of E, so you could call it an E, but actually the correct name for it would be an F flat. Now it's called a triad because there are 3 notes in this chord. We have our first note, which is the D flat. We call this our root note because this is the note we're building the chord from. And then we have an F flat and an A flat. Now all minor chords on the piano are built in the exact same way. So if you know how to build one, you can play a minor chord from any note on the piano, and it's super simple to learn. So let me show you. So all we do to build the minor triad chord is firstly to pick a root note. So this can be any note on the piano. So I'm just going to pick a C because it's easy to teach with. So to build a minor triad, all you do from the root note is move up 3 half steps followed by 4 half steps. And that's it. And a half step on the piano is really simple to learn. It's just moving up to the next closest note. So from here, the next closest note up would be this black note. So this is a half step. From here, if we move up a half step, we come to this D. And then it will be this black note, and then to this E. And then there's no black note here, so a half step would be to this F. And then we just move up like this. Half step, half step, half step, half step, half step. And we can do this all the way up the piano and all the way back down again. Half step, half step, half step, half step, and so on. So you can just spend some time practicing your half steps. And then when we build this chord, we pick our root note. I've picked a C. We're going to move up 3 half steps followed by 4 half steps. So to get the next note from here, we go 1, 2, 3. So this will be the next note in our chord. And then we move up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be our minor chord. And this will be the same from any note. So you just pick a root note. Let's pick an F. We're going to move up 3 half steps followed by 4. So 1, 2, 3 is our first note of the chord, followed by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be an F minor chord, and this will always be the same. So I'll pick any black note. Let's pick this black note at the top, the B flat. So this is our root note. We're moving up 3, then 4 half steps. So from here, 1, 2, 3. Here's our next note, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it. This will be your B flat minor. So have some fun with this and trial this out from all the notes on the piano.